Hello all, this is Universal Group of Institutions Bangalore. I am Kushi Shetty here with the latest news. India mandates ethylene oxide testing for spice exports to Asia. India has mandated testing as well as sampling of the ethylene oxide residue for all spice shipments to Singapore as well as Hong Kong from May 7, 2024. This follows reports of spice product recalls, ensuring safety as well as quality in Indian spices. ETO is an insecticide that has been used as a fumigant for organic items, sterilizing the food, spices, as well as other products by eradicating bacteria, fungi, viruses, as well as all the other bacterial spores. Ethylene oxide is a clear, colorless, flammable gas which has got a sweet odor, dissolving easily in water. It is also distinct from the ethylene gas. So it has been classified as a Group 1 carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer. It primarily impacts the central nervous system, causing eye as well as the mucous membrane irritation. It has been banned by the European Union in 2011 for fumigation of food as well as animal feed during transport as well as storage. ETO use is now only permitted for disinfection and sterilization of all the medical devices. Autonomous body under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. It was established under the Food Safety and Standards Act of the year 2006. It starts with a vision to ensure safe as well as nutritious food for citizens. Responsibilities include establishing standards as well as guidelines for food articles, and they set a globally benchmarked food standards. Well, that's all for now. Thank you. Stay tuned for more news. We have a detailed description present on our website. Kindly click on the link that's present down below. Thank you.